In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your appointment confirmations in Acuity scheduling. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to personalize their client interactions and improve communication through tailored email notifications. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Acuity scheduling account. If you're new to Acuity, it's a versatile tool that helps manage your appointments seamlessly. Accessing it requires the usual process of entering your login credentials, so make sure you have your details handy to avoid any snags. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu on your dashboard. There's a world of options there, but today, we're focusing on enhancing our email settings. So go ahead and click on Email Settings. This section of Acuity is essentially command central for all your client communication needs, allowing you to control the content and timing of all notifications related to your appointments. Now, under the Initial Confirmation section, you'll see an option that says Add New Template. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial because a customized template will allow you to speak directly to your client's specific needs or preferences. This kind of personalization often leads to a better client experience, helping to build long-lasting relationships. After you've clicked to add a new template, it's time to assign appointment types to this template. This is where you can get a little creative while staying organized. You'll find checkboxes next to different appointment types, and it's your task to select those that you want this new email template to apply to. This feature is particularly useful if you offer a variety of services. It lets you tailor the communication for each type, ensuring your clients receive the most relevant information possible. That's pretty much all there is to it for the basic setup, but let's take a moment to consider a few best practices. When crafting your email content, keep the tone conversational but professional. Personalization is key, so don't hesitate to use the recipient's name or include specific details about their appointment that make them feel valued. Also, consider including a friendly reminder about any necessary preparations they should make or documents they need to bring, which can be a lifesaver and a service differentiator. Finally, don't forget to test the emails yourself before they go live to your clients. This means sending a few test emails to your address to see how they display in different email clients and on mobile devices. Little adjustments here and there can make a big difference in the client experience, and there you have it. With just a few clicks and adjustments, you've set up a basic yet effective personalized initial confirmation email in Acuity scheduling. By doing this, you're taking a step towards more personalized client interactions and setting up your business for better communication and success. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.